I'm James Smith. I'm our Global Director of Product Management for a company called Alkegen. Alkegen is a parent company for a number of different technologies that have been brought together primarily in the refractory insulation fiber space. We get involved in fiber production for fireproofing, geotextiles, aerospace, and everything. Here at the show, we're primarily focused on our industrial insulations. We're proud of a couple of new technologies we brought to the market this year. One is our Aerogel, which is a non-dusting, easy to work with aerogel technology that's changing the industry. And in addition, we've developed a lining system that's going to completely revolutionize the furnace lining for convection sections of reformers, cracking furnaces, and that type of thing, improving energy efficiency. We felt these 2 days here were excellent. A very good network of people. It's a great group to collaborate with, network with. We found it very, very positive for our whole business model. It was excellent. Yeah, we got to meet a lot of end users, and the size of the event here was perfectly sized, not too small, but also not too big. So there was a personal touch to it. The end users and other networking individuals here were able to take the time to really talk with us, which was very valuable. A lot of times in bigger shows, everyone's very rushed. This allowed us the time to really spend some time talking to people. I don't know if it allowed our technology to get more attention, but it allowed us to be really focused on people who wanted to listen to our technology versus having thousands of people with different interests or no interest at all. It was very focused, and we found that very valuable. Yeah, there's a lot of change happening. What we're seeing from our side of the fence is reliability is becoming a stronger and stronger need in the industry. End users are demanding more from their equipment and demanding more from their suppliers to keep their equipment running longer. And that ties in with the service and engineering and technical support associated with it. So it's definitely one of the bigger changes we're seeing, that heavy demand for reliability. That's a great question. What do the end users in the market need right now? Everyone's really driving towards more energy efficiency. It's obviously a big part of our programs being an insulation provider, but installations typically have always had some limitations. So there's a really big push to improving efficiency, and that's process efficiency as well as energy efficiency. And we see that as being a very big push in the industry. Format was great. I'd love to see keeping that format, keeping current. I know a lot of the topics that were discussed this week are very relevant about changes in the energy industry that are going on. And I see that as being probably the most important thing, keeping relevant with current needs, keeping ahead of innovation, keeping the industry connected that way. That's probably one of the things I would like. The food was excellent, so don't change that.